How to create a Google Business Account business profile setup in Google Maps. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create Google Business Account business profile setup in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Now search for the location where your business is located on the map. Next, tap on the location to open more details about the area. Now tap on Business in the bottom right corner to begin adding your business. Then tap on your business name to continue setting up your business profile. After that, tap on Add a Business Profile to start the creation process. Here, you'll be asked to enter your business name and business category. Next, go back to Google Maps, and you will see an option to add your business to Maps for free. Tap on this to proceed with the setup. Now enter your business name and category again to confirm your details, and tap on Next to move on to the next step. Then, you'll be asked if you want to add a location customers can visit. If you have a physical location like a store or office, select Yes. Here, you will need to enter your business address, including your country, region, street address, sector, city, and postal code to ensure customers can find your location accurately on the map. After entering all the details, tap Next to continue setting up your business profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.